Hello, mobile gamers. Are you tired of spending many hours trying to gather enough crystals in Rush Royale? Well, welcome to my quick video tutorial where I will show you how I got an insane amount of crystals with this awesome Rush Royale hack. Forget about grinding for hours or spending your hard-earned money on in-app purchases. This method is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. As you can see, I've already used it and it works great. My resources arrived to my account. But how does it work? So if you want to learn, don't miss this video where I'll show you the whole process in this step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, we need to check our in-game user ID. We will need this information in the next steps. Then, open your internet browser and go to this website. As you can see, you will find a lot of hack for mobile games and applications here. They all give amazing features, but let's focus on the topic of the guide. Search for Rush Royale and click on it. You can use the search bar at the top of the page. After that, you will see a page where you need to select a platform and enter your user ID. Now wait for a few seconds to connect to the game server. Don't worry, this mod is completely safe and undetectable, so your account will remain secure. Next, choose the amount of crystals you want and click a button that says Generate. After confirming your selection, the website will start injecting the mod. This process might take some time depending on your internet speed and device performance. In most cases, you will see a message at the end letting you know that the injection is complete. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device and you are ready to go. However, you may need to complete one more step before you can finish. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it's usually simple: verify your account. This step ensures that only real players will use this hack. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to do it. Just follow the instructions and complete this step as soon as possible. Alright, I don't want to make this video too long, so I will skip the video here and come back to you when I am done the verification process. Okay, I'm back. It took me a few minutes, which I think is not too long and totally worth it. Once you are done all necessary actions, just launch your game and enjoy the unlimited gameplay. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If so, please click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting gaming hacks and cheats. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this hack and how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.